welcome on CSS Automation of Azib. In this video I will show you a technique to create a brush style. To make an image with a simple way. There are a lot of ways, but this technique is very popular. It's to create brush style using the font. I will show you how to do this. So let's start. You will see it's very easy. New slide, and now I will insert the text. I create text. I will choose letter I. I will change it, of course. So the first thing, to put it very big like this. And now let's see what is the good font to make our brush. For example, this one, yeah, maybe. Or no, not this one. Yeah, this one. Against is very good for this type of brush. It's very good. Now what I will do, so I increase the size. See it very well. Okay. Now I just insert shape rectangle and I put it here like this. Send to back. Forward. Good. Now I will select both and I go to the shape format, merge shape and intersect. Good. Now it is like a vector. Look, I can reduce, I can increase. Not with like the font. So simple. Now you can let it like this. You can merge it, for example, to make something like this. This is an example, of course. I will try to make now my brush. Something, create what you want. Try to be, it is your own brush. Put what you want. Something like this, maybe something like this. Now after I have finished, I will select all of them, merge and union. Now I have finished. So now I can increase my brush like this to see. Now I can put my, oops, it's very big. Very big, like this. Now I will put an image in this brush. You know how to do this. Right click, format shape, picture, and choose the desired picture, insert from any picture that you want. Over this one, I like this one. Yeah, it is in other sense, so just like this. So here is our brush, and I put an image inside this brush using the font. As you can see, just by using the font, I create my brush. Now there is no text here. I convert my font to the brush. Try to be to have some imagination to create your own brush. Show me, you can create his brush. There are a lot of type of brush. Okay, you can, for example, if I come back, I can this one, I can reduce it again. I can make copy and create something like this. Oops. Reduce. I can copy past like this, and I will create. I don't know. As we can see, it is a brush, something like this. Now I have my brush. Tag, intersect, union. Now here is my brush. Now I can use it as I want. I can put something like this and my image here like this. Picture, and here is our image with my custom brush. Show me your brush with the font and try to use a font that is a graphical font. Okay, not for 100 for the text. Try to have a font with oval in the type. Try to find a good font like me. So for me, if you remember, I have chosen this font. Let's put it. I have chosen, I think, I remember, not addicted, this one, against. It goes against. Again, sorry. Again. Okay? So maybe you can choose, for example, Airy. If you have a lot of them, as you can see, you can do nothing here. You must increase the size if you want. but from from this one you can create a brush if you need and do what you want here. It's maybe powerful, but your brush must be with full color. You can put some, for example, here I added another shape. Let's insert shape, something like that. I mean, not here, and here I have, for example, white. Okay, something like this. You can do it in your brush. So, I mean, remove some point, etc., etc. You can do what you want. You have a lot of. It is about your imagination. So create your brush with a font and show me the result in the comment. So see you next video to show you a new thing in PowerPoint, what you can do with PowerPoint, etc., etc. Take care of us. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.